Ein shum yish ba'olam klal. Despondency, giving up, doesn't exist in the world at all, right? But it's really counter to a person's experience, right? Because a person feels that they have given up. And if you look around the world, you'll see all different sorts of types of despondency and yish in the world. So how could Rebbe Nachman come along and say, Ein shum yish ba'olam klal? There's no such thing as yish in the world. So it's a little bit counterintuitive. And furthermore, like, what did he really mean when he said this? Obviously. So I'm going to take a stab at this. I actually asked this question to a few people the other day. I got back different answers, but I'm going to throw my hat in the ring to answer this. That what happens is that Rebbe Nachman says in another place, he says, Ikar Adam hu adas. The main thing is a person's mind. Right? The main thing is a person's mind. And a person says, I've given up, I can't accomplish, or I won't be able to attain the things that I want to attain in life, and they fall lower and lower and lower, right? So where does that take place? Where does that take place? It takes place in your mind, because your entire experience of life is being created from your mind's eye, from the power of thought. It's being created from the inside and from the power of thought. So if you could touch your brain, would you be touching your mind? Let's say you drilled a hole in your brain, a hole in your head with a corkscrew, right? And now you touched your brain. Would you be touching your mind? Would you be touching your thoughts? The answer is no, you wouldn't. Why? Because the power of thought is spiritual. Your mind is spiritual. It's not toughest makom. It's ruchnius. A person's mind, a person's thoughts don't take up any space. I ask this to my clients a lot. If I take out all the thoughts in your head and I put them in this room right now, how much room would it take up? So they say, oh, take up a lot of room, right? The answer is no, it would take up no room because you can't touch them. It doesn't take up space. And poof, it's gone, right? So a person gives up, a person feels miyayesh, it doesn't exist. This exists, kind of, right? The physicality is something I could grab, right? My microphone over here, I could grab it. But my mind, I can't touch it. So a person has thoughts of giving up. A person has thoughts of yish. Ein shum yish ba'olam klal. Yish doesn't exist. You can't touch your thoughts. And poof, it's gone. And poof, it's gone. I think it's incredible. I love this,